Okay, let's begin question and answer again. So, question number: the cardiac pacemaker in a patient fails to function normally. The doctor finds that an artificial pacemaker is to be grafted in him. It is likely that it will be grafted at the site of atrioventricular tube, atrioventricular bundles, Purkinje system, sinoatrial, and atrioventricular mode. So the correct answer for this question will be uh, option C will be the correct answer for this question. Let's move to the next. Which of the following substances, if introduced into blood streams, would cause coagulation of the blood at the site of the introduction? Prothrombin, thromboplastin, fibrinogen, and heparin. So the correct answer will be the fibrinogen will be the correct. So the correct answer will be option C will be the correct answer for this question. So actually the thromboplastin converts inactive prothrombin to thrombin. Thrombin breaks down fibrinogen to fibrin, forming a clot. So this is the explanation for this question. So next question 27. G6P dehydrogenase deficiency is associated with hemolysis. So hemolysis of. So the correct answer for this question will be the option D. So here the explanation is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase is a cytoplasmic enzyme that is distributed in all cells. It catalyzes the first step in hexose monophosphate pathway, producing NADPH. This coenzyme is required as a hydrogen donor for reaction of various biochemical pathways. So the deficiency in this enzyme is an inherent sex-linked trait. Although the deficiency occurs in all the cells of the affected individuals, it is more severe in RBC. Okay, so that is the explanation for this question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 34. Lymphoid tissue is found in. So lymphoid tissue is found in. The correct answer will be all of the above. So lymphoid tissue is found in lymph nodes, thymus, and tonsils. So lymphoid tissue is found in lymph nodes, tonsils, and thymus, as well as spleen. So it produces lymphocytes which have a lifespan of only a few days and must be constantly replaced. So this is the explanation. And the next question: which of the following carries blood rich in food materials such as glucose, amino acids from intestine to liver? So the correct answer for option are given. You have to choose the correct answer for this question. So the option C will be the correct answer, because the venous pathway comprising the hepatic portal veins carries blood rich in absorbed food materials such as glucose, amino acids from digestive tract to the livers. These materials may be stored, converted to released to the general circulation via hepatic vein. So the correct answer for this question is here will be the option C. So next question: diapedesis is. So diapedesis is the passage of. So the option C will be the correct answer, the passage of WBC. So let's move to the next question. Chorditendini are found in ventricles of brain, joints of legs, ventricles of heart, and arteria of heart. So the correct answer for this question is the option C will be the correct answer. So chorditendini are tough strands of connective tissue that runs from the underside of bicuspid and tricuspid valves to the muscles in the walls of the left ventricle of the heart. The chorditendini prevents the bicuspid and tricuspid valves from collapsing back into arteria during powerful ventricular contraction. This is the explanation for this question. So these are the question I have discussed. Very short video. So let's